Hi guys and girls, today we're looking at two-step equations. Okay, this is our first lot of two-step equations. So it might look a little bit tricky, okay, but if we follow the procedure we can't go too far wrong. Okay, now with two-step equations, what I like to do is a thing called backtracking. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do the first one by backtracking and take you through it. You might know a better way of doing two-step equations, which is cool. Okay, but if you don't know a better way, backtracking will sort you out. Okay, so with this, I'm looking at my equation, and pretty much I want to solve it for A. So that's where I'll start. What I'll do is I'll just write my A, and I'll put that in a little box. Okay, and my first question is, what happened to that A first by BODMAS in 4A plus 3 equals 27? Okay, and BODMAS tells me, the order of operations of this thing tells me that the first thing that happened was that A was times by 4. Okay, because we times and divide before we plus or minus, and A is times by 4. So I'm going to take my A and I'm going to times it by 4. I put what I'm doing in the top box where the pink is. That's my doing box. I take my A, I times it by 4, and I get 4A. Okay, but that's not the only thing that happens to that A. It's times by 4 to make it 4A, and then I add 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do is draw my line. That's going to give me 4A plus 3. And how do I get from 4A to 4A plus 3? Well, I need to add 3. So these are the two things that happens to the the A on its journey to become 27. Okay, it has 4 times by it, then it has 3 added to it, and then it equals or is the same as 27. So what I'm going to do, just put a little equals here and another box, and in this box I'm going to put 27. Okay, because I know that 4A plus 3 is the same as 27. Okay, then I look at it and go, well, if they added 3 to make it 27, I can take 3 to reverse that. And 27 take 3 gives me 24. Okay? Because I added 3 in the pink, I'm doing the opposite with the green. I'm taking away. Okay, whatever I did to make it 27, I need to undo by doing the opposite. Okay? So now I've got 4A equals or is the same thing as 24. Okay? And if it times by 4 to become 24, I can do the opposite and divide it by 4. Okay? When it was times by 4 up the top, I do the opposite down the bottom. I divide it by 4. So 24 divided by 4 should make 6. And that's my answer. A equals or is the same thing as 6. So that's right, I write down A equals 6. Okay? Now just to check that, if I put A in the if I put 6 where the A was in the question, Well, I can go 6 times 4 gives me 24, plus 3 equals 27. So the only number that works for the A would be 6. Okay? This is called backtracking. And it is a really useful way for solving equations. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. Bye guys and girls.